Hey everybody, if you're watching this review, I hope it helps. I'm reviewing this 44-inch white ceiling fan, newfangled ceiling fan, but there's some things that probably you need to know when you're installing this thing. You'll get an instruction packet with it, and on the page 2 it'll have this diagram on it. That will be the most important probably part of this process is to know what order everything goes in, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different components to this fan. And we're not talking about, that's without the blades. So it's more involved than most of your ceiling fan installations. Okay. Now, on that note, I want to touch base on a couple of things. You're going to need extra wire nuts, by the way. That is a side note. And I want to mention one thing in particular that made the installation a whole lot easier, comparatively speaking, to what the manual tells you to do. There is a down rod. I'm going to turn the camera around again. There's a down rod right here, and the ball that rests in the cradle, or I don't know what the yoke, I don't know what they call it, but it shows in the instructions basically you putting the, hold on a moment please. It shows in the instructions you putting it all together nicely and neatly, as you see in the illustration here. But that is not the case. When you're doing the work on the fan, you're going to find that you need the space, you need the space here. And you're going to probably have to pull off the ball on the top of the down rod, and in order to install all this, because really otherwise you don't have any room within which to do so. So there's a ball on the top of the down rod, and you can pull it off rather easily, unscrew it, pull the pin, etc. Then put all this, the cover, the canopy, all that on, and hang the fan after, as you would a traditional install. That's the easiest way to do this. Otherwise, you're going to battle trying to get your hands in there. It just, if you got tiny hands, it may work for you. Okay, next, I want to make a point. This does have multiple colors, and I have the cover off of this to show this. This is your selection of the different color types, and all it is variants of the light. It's not dim, it's just variants of the light. You change the fan speeds here, on, off here, and variants of the lights. You have forward and reverse. Everything's pretty standard, just your small ceiling fan. But let me go ahead and turn on this light for you. Okay, I'm going to go off a bit so you can kind of get a gist of the difference. It just is variants from different hues of the color. So I hope that helps. This fan is very involved to install, so plan on having a little time to do it, and I think you got it. All right, thanks for your time. Wish you the best.